therefore we have t of x times m of x equals r of x plus h of x. So we look for these functions from our table, and t of x is x minus 5. So we'll put here x minus 5 times, okay, m of x. Where is m of x? M of x is 2x plus 1. So we'll put here 2x plus 1 equals, okay, let me just fix that. Okay, equals r of x is 2x squared plus 5x minus 10. Here's r of x. So 2x squared plus 5x minus 10 plus h of x. And here's h of x. So plus, so maybe I'll put plus, and then h of x is 2x plus 3. Okay. All right, so let's simplify. X minus 5 times 2x plus 1. Again, since we're multiplying two binomials, we can think of it as product of length and width. So we can think of a rectangle where the length is x minus 5 and the width is 2x plus 1. All right, so, okay, let's multiply. We're going to have here 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times negative 5 is negative 10x. 1 times x is x, and 1 times negative 5 is negative 5. So now we'll have 2x squared. This is the area of the whole rectangle. 2x squared, negative 10x plus x, so minus 9x minus 5. So this is the area of the entire rectangle, which is equal to the sum of the area of the parts of this rectangle. All right, so equals, we can clean up the right side by combining like terms if there are any. So I noticed that 2x squared, there's only one 2x squared or x squared term on the right side, so we'll just bring down 2x squared. But I have here 5x, and I see another x term here, 2x, so we can combine those two and we'll have plus 7x. Now the constant terms, negative 10 and plus 3, if we combine them, we'll get negative 7. Okay, so now let's clean this up some more. We want to put together all the x squared terms and all the x terms. So we'll take away 2x squared from both sides. And 2x squared disappears from the left, and it also disappears from the right side. Now we'll have, okay, we have a 7x on the right side, and we have a negative 9x on the left side. So we can take away 7x from the right. So minus 7x from the right, minus 7x from the left. And so we'll have now negative 9x minus 7x is negative 16x. We bring down the minus 5 equals the 7x, and the negative 7x gives us 0, so x totally disappears from the right side, and we bring down the minus 7. All right, then now we just need to isolate the x. So we'll do plus 5 from the plus 5 to the left and plus 5 to the right. Now when we do that, the constant disappears from the left side, and therefore Negative 16x is by itself now. So we'll just bring down negative 16x equals negative 2. 7 plus 5 is negative 2. And then we'll just divide both sides by negative 16. This cancels, and we will have x equals, we can put negative over negative is positive. So we can put positive 2 over 16. But we don't stop here because we need to reduce to lowest term. So what we're going to do is divide both numerator and denominator by their common factor. So we think of a number that goes into both 2 and 16, and that would be 2. So we do x equals 2 divided by 2. That's going to give us 1, and 16 divided by 2 is going to give us 8. So we'll have here x equals 1/8.